Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off LinkedIn email notifications. If you're constantly getting bombarded with email alerts from LinkedIn and want some peace of mind, this quick guide will help you disable those notifications in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, look at the top of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy settings to notifications. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with several categories. Look for the option labeled Notifications and click on it. This section houses all the settings related to how LinkedIn sends you updates and alerts, whether through the app, browser, or email. Within the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories of alerts you can customize. Find and click on Messaging. This will take you to the specific settings that control how you're notified about messages and conversations on LinkedIn. Now, in the Messaging section, you'll see various notification preferences. Click on Messages to access the detailed settings for how you receive alerts about new messages. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how LinkedIn communicates with you. Finally, look for the email option in this section. You'll notice a toggle button right beside it. Click this toggle to turn off email notifications for messages. Once you do this, LinkedIn will stop sending you email alerts whenever you receive a new message, though you'll still be able to see messages when you log into the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off LinkedIn email notifications for messages, which means your inbox won't be cluttered with constant alerts anymore. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.